Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make money on Temu using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Temu app and you need to make sure that you have an account. Or if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. So if you have an account, just go ahead and click on the Hue button or section at the lower part of your screen. So once you've done that, scroll down and click on Settings. Here on Settings, click on Country and Region and you need to make sure that you choose United States. Okay? So once you've choose the United States for country and region, go back on the U page and you should see the Earn Credits and Free Gifts section. So click on that section. Then here you have a lot of options to earn credits and free gifts. So for example, as you can see here at the first or at the second option, we have redeem cash, so redeem up to $200 to PayPal. So to do that, just go ahead and click on the Get Now button. So here what you need to do is to click on the Start button and you just need to refer a friend. So click on that, copy the link and click on Refer Friends. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and this code. Okay, so what you need to do is to just go ahead and let your friend download the Temu app, and then what they need to do is just go ahead and paste the code that you've given. So click on refer friend, so click on copy code. Okay, so what they need to do is to just go ahead and paste the code right here, so just like that. So click on search and they should be redirected in this kind of page and they should click on the accept invitation button. Okay, so after that you will be able to spin and you will earn money. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.